welcome to my channel. I know I look like death right now, but that is because I'm actually dead. I'm the Walking Dead. Yeah, so anyways, you guys, I have never purchased anything from ColourPop before, but you know what? I was trying to be trendy and decided to get on the website and look around, and I was like, ooh, everything looks so good, everything looks so cheap. I got to try something from their website. So these products stood out to me the most because they are called the No Filter line. We've got No Filter Foundation, No Filter Setting Powder, and No Filter Concealer. All this stuff was really cheap. I ain't got the prices on me right now, but I'll look them up in a little bit and tell them to you later. But anyway, so I decided to go ahead and make a purchase, obviously, because I just showed you the products in my hand. And honestly, I had a really hard time picking out colors. The powder wasn't so hard because they had a translucent option, and I know that banana color, that ain't working for me because I am not the color of a banana. My skin tone just doesn't work with bananas. I've tried bananas before. So the translucent color, this worked for me. But this foundation and concealer, I'm just so sad about. Like, I'm just so sad. I waited so patiently for these products to come in, and when they got here and I opened them, I just wanted to cry. Because these colors don't match me. I tried to go by the color options on the website. I tried to go by the comparison colors that they suggested. I tried to look at the pictures on the website. I tried to look up videos, swatches, this and that, and you know what? You know what? When it comes down to it, girl, it's like a guessing game. I just had to like click, 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 and I thought these products was gonna work for me. The colors do not, but I'm going to be applying them anyway. I'm going to be reviewing these products today for what they are, for the quality, for all that, but let's just not focus on the color, okay? I'm not sure that the foundation was that bad, but the concealer is crazy. So, this is the concealer I chose. This is the shade Light 10, and on the website, I thought Light 10 was gonna work perfect for me. Oh my God, actually, I look so pale in this camera right now that it probably does work perfect for me. But when I apply it, it's so white. It's so white. It's like Casper white, you know? And I know I'm a pretty white person, but when I put my makeup on, I add bronzer and this color and that color, and yeah. This just does not work for me. What I actually had to end up doing is going in with more foundation on top of it to color up the brightness. So let's get into the foundation. I got the color Light 70, and honestly, I mean, you guys will have to tell me because my opinion with this kind of stuff just ain't good. I felt like it looked a little orangey on my skin, but we'll see. Okay, let's get into this. The most depressing part about all this is that I'm stuck with these colors. So I just don't know what to do with them because ColourPop doesn't have a return or refund policy. Their policy is they don't return or refund because their products are so affordable that they just don't do that. So, I mean, I think that's great and stuff, but when I'm having to wing it and picking out this color and then I get it and I pay my money for it and it don't work for me, what am I supposed to do? Okay, so this is the No Filter Foundation. It is $12. They also have another No Filter Foundation in stick form, and that one is $10. So yeah, these products are super affordable. So let's go in on this little sponge with this color. Now y'all tell me if this color is working for me, okay? I feel like this color is very yellow, orange, and too dark for me. I mean, you can see the neck piece and the cheek. It's like two totally different colors. So it doesn't look so bad after I like blend it in and kind of wipe it a little bit. I'm gonna go in with some more on this side now. Girl, I look like I have a 5 o'clock orange shadow. I mean, you can even tell like by my eye color right there, like it's two totally different. Wait till you see the concealer I'm about to apply. Girl. So let's just stop right here, and we can all agree that this doesn't match. So this is a no-go for me. But like I said, I'm just reviewing the formula, okay? I actually really like this foundation. I think It has a very good amount of coverage and it's not heavy. I can't feel it on my face. I think it blends really well, and this product is also buildable. So first layer, really good coverage. You want even more coverage, you go in with that second layer, girlfriend. I think it looks really nice and I think it holds up really nice. But this color is not very nice, okay? Especially right now being in winter, I am so pale. I haven't been in the sun in like 10 years. For the price and for the nice little amount you get here, which is 25 mil, it's 0.85 FLOZ. I think this is a really good foundation. And if you are looking to try it, you're interested, I say try it. But girl, make sure you get the right color, okay? All right, let's go in with this concealer. So this concealer is $6. Hello, good price. But check out this color, ladies. Check out this color. This color is working for me. I wish I had that color in every concealer that I own, because this color is just working for me, okay? Yeah, not hardly. Look at that. Look at that. So, I actually seen that a lot of people really didn't like this concealer, but to be honest, I think it's a really good concealer. That's just my opinion, I've seen a lot of complaints, but when I first used it, I thought it was pretty nice. I like the consistency. I think the coverage is pretty good. I love this wand. It's like flexible, so it feels really nice when applying. The only problem is the color just doesn't work for me. And I'm really sad about it because I paid for it and all that, and I can't return it. So I really just don't know what to do with it. Look at this. Look at this. I want you to look at this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just to feel a little bit better about myself, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of foundation and cover that up, because that's the only way I got it to work the other day, because I actually tested all of these out for the first time right before running errands, okay? Okay. That wasn't a good idea, but I did it. So I had to like work with it and try to fix it, because I couldn't chance washing my face and going out the door, you know, starting over or whatever. Let's go in with this No Filter setting powder. This is a loose powder and it is $9. Also, they're having a deal right now on the website where you can get this foundation and this concealer. I didn't get this deal because I ordered it like, you know, a week or so ago, and they just got this deal going on right now. But you can get these two together, and it's called Better Together Duo, and it's normally $16, but now it's $14 to get these two together. So that's a pretty good deal. And also, after signing up and making a purchase, they gave me like this little link that I can share with my friends. So if you purchase, you get a discount and I get a discount, so it's a win-win. So if you're gonna be shopping ColourPop, go ahead and use my link, so maybe I can repurchase and get the colors I need. So this is a nice little container, and it's got the little thing up top with the little holes in it. Let's apply some, but where's my little brush? Oh, okay, here we go. So I'm gonna pick some of this up, dust it off. Let's see, we're gonna do a little bacon. I'm gonna plop that all over my face for fun. I'm going to take a little sponge here and pick up some of this product, wipe a little off on my hand, and then apply it under my under eye where I placed my super white concealer. I am looking so bad right now, like the color ain't working for me, and the lack of eyebrows. Okay, I'm back, and I know these eyebrows don't look that great, but I just had to do a little something to make them look a little decent. I'm going to clean off this powder. Overall, it's a pretty good little powder. It's just a little translucent powder, you know how those work, so it's pretty good, I think. One thing I did notice though after the foundation and the powder, and this happened the other day and it's happening again today, for some reason down the center of my nose, the foundation just came completely off. And I really wanted to cry because I didn't notice it at first last time, and I put on my highlighter and it just looked funky. I don't know why that happened. Doesn't really happen often, so I'll just like, oh. So let me add a little bronzer and a little blush just so you can see this look just beautiful all together. I'm going in with this number 7 bronzer. This is a really nice bronzer, especially if you have lighter skin. This is in the shade Maple, so it's not like too much, too harsh. It's just like a very nice light color. See, so after I'm kind of like doing everything together and like finishing it up, it doesn't end up looking that bad, the colors, but just at first putting it on, it's totally not a match, and I just don't feel comfortable with that. Like, I don't want to have to use something and use a million other products with it just to make it work for me. I want the color to work, you know, as soon as I use it. So let's put a little blush on. I'm not going to be doing eye makeup because, girl, I ain't doing it. Just a little light highlighter. So this is the finished look, and as you can see, I just don't think it matches. I mean, you guys seen when I first applied it what it looked like. It was like yellowy orange or whatever, and this is just, it's just not working for me. Way too light, and I'm just so sad that I can't return it or exchange it, but it is what it is. I do, however, I have plans on repurchasing these products just in colors that would match me. If you think you could help me find a color on that website, if you're bored, you know, browsing, make a suggestion, because I would actually love these products if I could make them work for me and I could find a really nice color, but I had a hard time. They kind of all look like they'd match really well, so I just didn't know. And like I said, I winged it. Because I like to wing everything, okay? Life, eyeliner, everything. Like, overall, these products are really nice, and for the price, it's like, yes, queen. But the color, it just didn't work for me. Anyways, I'm going to leave my little link down below just in case, you know, you're going to be ColourPop shopping. ColourPop shopping. ColourPop shopping. You can purchase through my little link and get a little discount, and then I get a little discount. I don't know if it says you get a discount or like a coupon, or you get a little money, I don't know how it works, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, yeah, so tell me what you think. I think the products are great. That color doesn't work. Okay. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you're already subscribed, then you already know. Well, I also want to say today is Monday. I love me a Monday, but I am wearing my Coffee and Weekends t-shirt. It ain't a weekend, but guess what? I'm a rebel like that, so that's just how I roll. Okay, I will see y'all later. Goodbye. ColourPop, please help me find a color. And also, I wanted to say, the packaging, the outer packaging is so cute. Baby pink and white. Girl, that's what's up right there. All right? Okay. Bye, y'all. Time for my cover photo. Time for my photo shoot. With this hairdo. I think this will work out really good. I think people would really want to watch this video because they see this hairdo and they say, I don't want to watch any other video on this product except that one, because that girl's hairdo is so good. It's so good.